Hello everyone, it's Jean from Inky Studio. I'm happy you could stop by today, and it is your lucky day because I'm having a giveaway of this sweet little project that I showed you how to make a few weeks ago, and I'll put that video link down below in the description box in case you missed it. But it is essentially, it can be a little journal, but it can also be a little photo album, and maybe you're getting ready to put in some Easter pictures or something. But this is a delightful little folio, journal folio type of thing. And it has a seam binding tie on here. Now I have this little flap here that you can glue down and make into a pocket if you wish, but I put it loose like this because as you put more in here, then that spine will grow a little bit and it kind of allows it to expand. So we'll just get started. I have used my Cottage Rose digital kit for this project. The first flap, or the first part of it, has a pocket that you can store stuff in it that you would like. And this is the second page, and here in this pocket, so they've all got pockets in here. I have a large tag or a photo mount, whatever you would like to use that for, and that's right there in the side. Just plenty of room to either put memorabilia or to write. Same over here. I have a little pocket with a couple of little tags I have stuck there in the side. And inside this pocket is another photo mount or journaling card. However you would like to use this. This little project can be anything you would like it to be. Here's the double spread on the middle of it. And another pretty little pocket here. Then over here we have a flap, a double flap to open up, and inside the double flap I have put in two more photo mounts here, and they just live inside like so. And this one here is a flap that opens up with a little card inside there. And a pocket that holds the last of the four, I believe there's four, or there's four of these photo mounts. Another double page. And on this one there is a flip up with another card tucked inside the top there. And this is the cute little folio thing. So yes, I'm going to be giving this away. So in order to enter, you need, I would like you please to subscribe first, of course, but please enter a comment down below, and maybe tell me what your plans are for this spring. Are you going to plant a garden? Are you going to go someplace? Whatever you got planned, just, share a few words about that down below in the comment would be great. I'm going to have the drawing on April 7th. So you want to mark your calendar to come back here on April 7th to see if it is you who won this cute little folio. And yeah, I appreciate you, all of your participation and your comments and everything, and your support throughout all the years I've been doing this. I did want to share with you a little project that I am working on next, and I have this beautiful upholstery fabric. So pretty. I love this blue and the cream together, and this is the inside, and it's going to have a vintage lace wrap around it, so I'll put some ribbon on there, and so that you can wrap it and tie it together. And on the signatures, I have 5 signatures, and I've only got 2 finished so far, but I'll just show you what I have. This is a new kit that I'm working on. I haven't really finished the digital kit yet, but this is one of the papers for that. But on the inside, I have some of these pages decorated and finished. And I will list, when I do a flip through of this, I will list the other digitals that I've used from other creators as well. Really pretty card with this little diamond down there. I'm using vintage lace in here as well. And yeah, I just went through my stash and I says, oh, I haven't, you know, sometimes you stash things away and you forget you have them. It's like, whoa, this is so pretty. How could I have not used this before? And here's some faux seal wax that I made with hot glue gun and Gilder's wax. And I have a video on that too. If I find it, I'll put that down below as well. And a pocket that I need to fill. So that is sort of like that one. Let me just go through here. And so I got music paper. It's not too brittle, but a little bit. So I have a cardstock ephemera that I've glued to the edge of it. So you can turn it. And a double-sided tag here with lace sewn there in the bottom. And this is a vintage the cloth. One creator had digitals of vintage cloth, and I will list, like I say, when I do the flip through, I'll be listing all that information in there. A little booklet. So I just wanted to give you and share with you a sense of how this is going. Really, really enjoying doing this. Actually, I'm really looking forward to it every day. I come in here to work on this. And some little stamps down there. And, oh, this is just so beautiful. Isn't this a beautiful image here on this painting? So I put this on a vellum, so like a vellum flip. This is from an old floral book. And a little charm up here with an old piece from an old vintage necklace. A little charm that came off of that. And music paper. Just a delightful little image there as well. So I just wanted to share that with you so you know what I'm working on. I think maybe the next video I might bring you along and do a craft along and just show you how I'm making some of this ephemera. Thank you so much for viewing, and you take care. And I just hope that wherever you're at, you're enjoying the spring as it's beginning to blossom around us. We'll talk to you later. Bye.